is A?
-4.
What is B?
8.
And what is C?
1.
1. We identify an ABC, then your friend should be x equal,
-8.
the x equal,
-8.
negative B plus or minus B squared minus
4C
over 2A. At least you must have, so we just gonna replace those things. I will have x equal minus
8
plus or minus square root of
8 squared.
8 squared minus 4 times
-4
negative 4 times
over
1 over
2
2 times.
-4
That's your setup. Then we start working them out. X equal negative 8 plus or minus root of
64.
64. I see 2 negative gonna become
16
positive 16 over negative 8. Next one, I will have x equal negative 8. Work inside the square root. That will give you what? 80 over. Now be careful again. This.
Now we gotta find it.
It's not.
There exists a perfect square inside of that number. You need to explore that number. To start with, if you don't know it, you need to identify one factor of 80. It doesn't matter. There's no best way, there's no wrong with 2 and 40. Not bad. What about 40? 4 and 10. What about 10? 5 and 2. This goes with that will give you what? 4 goes with that will give you what? 80 is 16 times 5. Then you take square root of that.
4.
That'll give you 80 is equivalent to 4 square root of 5. So that's what you need to replace 80 by. Right? Just show you where you get that. So we have x equal minus 8 plus or minus 4 root of 5 over negative 8. Alright? Go ahead.
How'd you get the 16 squared and 5 squared? Kind of got lost.
It says it in your face.
No, how'd you get
How did I get that? We start with 80. We start with 80. Somebody told me 80 is 2 times 40. Somebody told me 40 is 4 times 10. Somebody told me 10 is 2 times 5. It's about your factors, people. Alright? You need numbers that AP what? Twice. I see 2 and 2. That will make it a perfect square. What is 2 times 2? I already have a 4. 4 times 4.
16.
Then 80 is 16 times 5. Use your calculator, do 16 times 5. Your goal is to find the biggest perfect square inside of that number. And the biggest perfect square of 80 is 16 times 5. Then you take the square root of each one individually. What is square root of 16? 4. Now, easily, what is the greatest common factor between those three numbers here? 4. Alright? If I divide this by 4, what do I have? Negative 2 plus or minus root of 5 over negative 2. That's my final answer.